When I stop rushing and stay in the moment, inspiration has space to appear. For me, it often begins in nature. Last summer, I went hiking in Alpe Devero, in the north of Italy, high in the Alps and close to the Swiss border. It's peaceful and quiet, far from the usual tourist bustle, a place where everything slows down. The pace, the noise, and most importantly, my thoughts.
I need to answer that. I should update the footer on my website. I haven't practiced Italian.
Most days, my mind feels too full. Tasks, checklists, chores, scrolling. And when everything is that loud, there is barely any space left for new ideas. That's why I go hiking, to clear my mind, to walk, to notice small details, and to be fully present. When a landscape feels this beautiful, inspiration comes easily, and I feel the urge to capture it on paper. The tools don't matter. The style doesn't matter. Perfection doesn't matter. What matters is the moment, the reflection and the quiet appreciation of what you're seeing. If you are stuck creatively, try leaving the desk for a while. Change the environment. Go outside, walk. Inspiration often shows up when you stop chasing it and start noticing.